Hi, this is Paula, and I'm going to show you in this video how to trade a coin for another coin in demo mode here. And first of all, we can actually come down here if we wanted to check and see which coin pair we wanted to test in demo mode. For example, let's say we want to try Rose USDT, this one here, and we want to first see if we actually have enough funds in here. So you would need the coin that's on the right-hand side, USDT in this case, um, in order to purchase enough of the Rose um, coin to start this bot. So let's say you wanted to do a $5,000 USD bot, but you've only got 2,618. And please note that your exchange does hold back 5% of whatever you have available in the exchange to start the bot because they wanted to keep the 5% just in case you needed to pay any exchange fees. So at 95%, which is the maximum, you could slide it here. We have 2,600 and a bit. So if I wanted more, so in demo mode, you are given, I believe, one Bitcoin plus, for example, in Kucoin here, I think you might get 10,000 USDT as well. But you can click on balance down here and see what you got. Of course, I have tested a number of bots, so I have various coins here. Um, but let's say I wanted more USDT to use. I could convert some of the other coins into USDT. So I could convert, say, ACE and MNST. So what we do is go to the top left-hand side here and click on the Trading tab to trade. And so then here you can select the exchange. And I want to use Kucoin, but if you wanted to use Binance or one of the other exchanges that you can try in demo mode, then you can. And in live mode, there are a little bit over 20 different exchanges that you can connect to Bitsgap. So let's say I'm going to do Kucoin. So I select Kucoin, and then here it's already pre-selected Rose USDT because I was looking at setting up that bot earlier. But I can choose here whichever coin pair I'd like to trade. So coming back to my balance here, let's say I want to trade the ACE one. So I can either type it in here, the search ACE-USDT, and select that. And then that way I can sell off my ACE to buy USDT. So notice that there's a buy and sell button, so you can go either way. So let's say I want to sell my ACE that's in my balance and convert it to USDT. Then I'll click, for me, I prefer market orders instead of limit orders because it's faster. But yet the exchange fee is a little bit more than you would pay for a limit order. So you would take that into consideration and choose the one that works best for you. So I'll go with market and I'm going to sell the ACE and I'm going to sell all of it. So I will select 100%. I'll click on that. Or you could type in the amount you like, and these are other amounts. You can select 50%, but I'm just going to do the whole 100%. And it'll show in USD is 2,352, which is similar to the USDT because that's the stable coin, about $1 for $1, even though it does fluctuate a little bit. So then I would just double check one more time that I've got the exchange I want and the coin pair, and doing a market order. I'm going to sell the ACE for USDT and the full amount. And I'm going to click on Sell ACE and click on that. On the left-hand side, you'll notice two pop-ups, Market Order Placed and Market Order Filled. That means it has been done. So if we look here, the ACE is no longer there. It shows the balance of things that you have first before it shows others. So it should be down here somewhere. Sometimes it takes it a moment to show, but now I have more USDT. So 5,100. If that's not quite enough for the 95%, you could calculate it, but I also wanted to show it just one more time to convert. Let's say I have the MNST. I'll click on there, and I wanted to convert it to USDT. So in the same exchange, Kucoin, I'm going to convert MNST to USDT. Again, I'm doing a market order. I'm going to sell the MNST. I'm just going to do the full 100% maximum, and I'll show the USD amount equivalent. I'm just going to sell. So just double check one more time. Exchange, bot pair, market order, selling MNST, and the full amount to USDT worth this amount in USD, and click MNST. And once again, the pop-up market order placed and market order filled. So as you can see, it is pretty fast. So now I can go back to the bots tab where I can set up to start a new bot. So I wanted to keep this a bite-sized chunk, so I will show you how to start a new bot in my next video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.